This model of GasStop is calibrated for use on only RV propane systems in the US. It comes in two versions. This one is the Acme. Right now, I have nothing connected to the propane tank. First, I am going to connect the GasStop safety device. It goes right in line with the hose. Merely connect the GasStop to your bottle. It only needs to be hand tightened. Next, connect your propane regulator to the GasStop as you usually would. The GasStop device has to be pressurized to your system. To do this, press the gauge 4 to 6 times to prime the system. You are now ready to go. If your system has a leak,